Hello students, wish you all a very good morning. I am Ramesh Shishar. Welcome to all back to another session of Maths online classes. Students, earlier I have already intimated to everyone that in the next session we will go with the live session questions. But I came to know here in this session network problems is there. Always remains network problem. That's why I continue with the through these videos. Okay. So in this session we will discuss about exercise number 8.1. We will do exercise number 8.1. So as you I have seen the last videos where I have discussed about the ratio and proportion, simple interest and profit and loss. Okay. Everything on every pattern I have discussed over there. So I think from question number 1 to question number 5, it is based on that. So you will do by yourself, okay? But from question number 6, it is words problem. So I thought that some things problem maybe create few difficulties come to you. So I thought that I should explain, okay? So I'm going to discuss about question number 6. So be careful. So before proceeding, what you have to do, simple take out your textbook, notebook and get ready for the today's class. So see students, if 30% of P, students be careful, if 30% of P, whose 30% of P, simple, mention over there, 30% to convert, okay, 30% just remove the percentage, put 100, 30% of P, it means multiply, P is 9, it is equal to 9. Find the value of P. So what will be the value of P? Simple. It will be remain same here. So P is equal to, this term will be transferred to after equal to and it will reciprocal. So 9 into 100 by 30. What will happen? 0 0 cancel, 3 3 is 9. 3 into 10 is a 10, 30. So students, it's the value of P. What will be the value of P? P is equal to 30. So nothing you have to do. Simple. It's a very simple question. Where a percentage came, simple. Remove the percentage. Put by 100. And what is given in off? What is given in off? Multiply by that number. Then after what is given in is, that will be is equal to. What will be done? Now we have to find the value of P. Simple. This term will be transposed to this term in RHS, and what it will be? It will be reciprocal. It is reciprocal. What the numbers is given in numerator, that will be transferred to denominator, and what the numbers is given in denominator, that will be transferred to numerator. So after transposing, what will be 9 into 100 by 30? 0 0 cancel. 3 is the 9. 3 into 10 is the 10. 30. So I hope students you came to know. So on this pattern there may be many questions and you should try many more questions. That is see the other books also, in this book also. The next exercise also it is given, test paper is given. So do all the questions by yourself on this pattern. Okay. See the next question. Find the sum of 15% of 75. Students once again, 15% of 75. Exactly what you have to do. Remove the percentage sign, put by 100 of 100 means multiply by 75. What you have to find? Find the sum of. It means plus. And 5% of 75. 5% of 75. It means 5 by 100 into 75. What will that? This percent will remove, put by 100 into 75 of 75. So first of all we have to what? We have to find the sum of. Find out the sum. It is 4. It will be 3. 25 for the 100. 25 3 is 75. Here it is also same. 4. This 3. What you done? 15 3 is 45 by 4 plus 5 3 is 15 by 4. What will be if denominator is equal? It means no need to find out your LCM. LCM will be said 45 plus 15 is 10. 45 plus 15 is 10. 60 by 4. It means 15. What answer will come? What will be the sum of this one and this term? That will be 15. What is the second question? is it equal to 20% of 75? Now we have to find out the 20% of 75 also. So again 20 by 100 into 75, 4, 3, 5, 5 to the 15. See students, 20% of 75 is equal to 15 and this terms is equal to 15. Okay, so is it equal? So we can say that yes, both values are equal. Both values are equal. So students, it is all about the question number 9. Nothing we have to do. Don't get worried. Simple. Read the question 2 or 3 times more, 4 times more. When you are not getting properly, because everything is given in the question. Okay, everything is given in the question. If you are not getting, simple read it in a split sub mode. Read it in progressive mode. Okay, again I can break it in 50 terms and then after try to understand. See the next question. It's since it's very long question, but it's very simple. How? See, the salary bill of company A having 60 employees. There is a company, name is company A, having how many employees? 60 employees. Is rupees 9 lakhs. Okay, it is salary bill. So we can mention over here. Okay, in company salary of company A is equal to salary of company A of 60 employees. Okay students, of 60 employees is equal to 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. See, per month it is 9 lakhs per month of 60 employees. Okay, so see the next. And the salary of company B having 75 employees. Next company have company B. Okay, students, company B of 75 employees. Previously 60 employees, but now 75 employees. What is there? 12 lakhs. Company B is 12 lakhs. Okay, students, per month. It is about the question. Now see, find the average salary of the employees. Find the average salary of the employees in both the companies. In both the companies. So what do we do in question number 8? To find the average salary, what will we do? Total employees divided by total salary. Okay. So what is the salary? Average. See, average salary of 60 employees each employees. Okay students, why? Because 16 plus it is given already. We have to find the average salary of each employee. So each employee is equal to 9 lakhs divided by 60. Questions? Because they are cancelled. What would have? 56 are 90 000. It means 15,000. How much? 15,000. It is about the company A. But what about the company B? Salary of each employee of company A. Now company B. Company B, what will happen? It will be 12 lakhs by 75. Why? Because there are total number of employees 75. So we will divide by 75. What will be happen? It will be divided by 5. So 25. 5 to the 10. 5 for the 20. Okay. There will be 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5. 5 5 to 25. 5 for the 20. 5 for the 40. 000. Okay, so see 1 second 5. 1 second 5. 5 9 45. 5 9s are 45. 3 0 5 6 are 30 0 0. So students, as it will be divided by 5, it will be 3. Okay. Now 3 and 48. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, 000. So we can say that in company B, what is the average salary is there? Average salary is 16,000. Okay students, in company A, average salary is 50,000, and company B, average salary is 16,000. So it's an answer of question number A. But see the question number B. Which company is paying weighted average salary? Which company is paying weighted average salary? So we will write company B is paying weighted salary. So students, it is all about the slide number 8.1, question number 12. Because question number 1 to 5 we will do very well because it is same questions how I have explained on last session through examples as well as on the pattern. See, and what problem are there? Few what problem I have discussed here. Few of them you have to do by yourself. Now I am proceeding for exercise number 8.2. So in exercise number 8.2 there are 7 questions. Okay, in which of them 1, 2, maximum 3 I will do. Rest of all you have to do. Okay students.